Hey everyone, Mike Andes here, and today I am reacting to a challenge from Brian's Lawn Maintenance to show one of our trucks here at Augusta Lawn Care, what's inside, and all the mess that's probably inside. So I'm at the shop. It is a Saturday morning. This is our shop space here. I don't usually come here, but a couple times a week, so I wasn't able to get over here this week. So I have no idea which truck we're gonna go ahead and choose today. But I'm gonna pick one of these trucks and show you what is inside. Maybe we'll do one of the ramp rack trucks. But on the weekend, it's usually pretty slow around here. No one comes in, usually. But all the material bins are out here, all the rest of it. But hopefully I can get into the office here and get keys for one of these trucks. But I did want to share, today is the last day for the giveaway that I'm actually doing. Got my key code here. We're doing a giveaway as well. This is the office here. So let's see here. We'll just take P13. Cool. So they have a schedule up for Monday, the shop. These are actually the pictures from very first year ever doing Augusta Lawn Care and the first few years growing. That was fun. But anyways, I'm doing a giveaway. Today's the last day you can actually apply for it. So whether it is, I'm not on this list, but we are trying to find the YouTuber of the year for 2022. Sorry about the wind. We're trying to find the YouTuber of the year for 2022, and we're doing it March Madness style. So there's a whole bracket, and you got to fill it out. And if you win the bracket, like if you, the person who's the closest to being the most accurate on the bracket after the tournament's over, is going to win either $2,000, or I'm going to send my media team out for an entire day and do a whole video shoot with you and pictures and got birds. Whole video shoot for your company, the whole 9 yards, and you can use that for your marketing, your website, etc. So check that out in the link below, just mikeandes.com/vote. We have a whole bunch of these ramp rack systems. We adjusted these several years ago, and in our market does well because we still have to bed clippings, so we need the back of the bed open, but then we also are able to get the mowers out in the back. Don't need a big trailer. So this is out front of the road. Big Max sign out front. All right, so this is P13. So I'm gonna flip this around now so I can actually see what I'm doing. This is the truck here. Sorry, it's kind of tight, but this is the ramp rack. Got the ramp rack system on it here in the back. So it actually looks like they did a pretty good job cleaning this thing out. Sorry about the road noise, but yeah, so when we come in here every single day, it should already be all set up. Everything stays on the truck. It's all locked up right now. But the bins stay in here for debris and grass clippings. We have a ratchet strap, so that way they can put a second mower and then they strap it to the front there. So this should always be cleaned out. There should never be a junk sitting in here. So actually pretty happy with how it's looking. So far so good. This is kind of like my opportunity to come spot check the truck. So we haven't yet started our Saturday cleaning schedule. So later in the year, probably in the next few weeks, we'll start where Saturdays someone comes in and cleans out the truck. But let's see what they got. Not too bad, actually, not too bad. Okay, that's my keys. But here we got a little bit of some trash, it looks like. But let's see how, not too bad. Okay, so we got an extra thing of wire. We use this 0.95. In our market, it does pretty good. Thicker you go on that, lasts longer, but sometimes you don't get your edges quite as clean. We do have a fire extinguisher in every single truck. We have jumper cables in every single truck. I don't know what that is. Let's find out. All right, let's see here. Aha, this is the training document. So last week they had the first day for a whole bunch of the team, and they did the entire day of training. So here they have a whole bunch of things that they get measured on and things. So at least it's here and they were looking at it. So to put that back, there should be a first aid kit somewhere in all the trucks. Oh, here's the other one. There it is. Let's go. So someone did not fill in their training documents, or they were looking at them potentially. But these are the documents we use for Augusta Lawn Care for training all the employees. So I'm gonna take those back in the office because they should not be in here. Looks like someone forgot them. But yeah, we got a little bit of trash. No, not too bad though. Not too bad. We don't have too much junk. Mostly because if they do leave junk in the trucks, they do get docked on their pay. On P for P, a yellow slip can be considered just junk in the trucks. And if they don't clean out their trucks, their performance dollars can be docked. So, all right, let's go around the other side here. So we really like these, the ability to be able to put all the tools in here. We do keep this in order to kind of keep them from moving around too much. So this bungee cord here Just wraps around like so, and then that way keeps everything from moving at all. But yeah, let's go on this side. All right, so let's go on this side. Real quick though, if any of you have color on your trucks, always recommend a black outline. Once you step back away from the truck, you can't really even tell there's a black outline, but it just helps it pop off of the side of the truck so much better and be visible from far away. We label all of our trucks. P just stands for pickup for us. D stands for dump trucks. So not too bad, actually. A little bit of garbage in this truck today, but honestly, not too bad considering the fact that this truck has not had actual cleaning for, of course, you gotta have Twinkies. This truck has not been cleaned since probably last fall, because we only have someone coming on Saturdays starting in April through October. So not too bad. Obviously there's mud, but it's just part of being a work truck. But I'm actually pretty impressed with how little junk is inside of here. I know that several weeks ago, Marcus, the general manager here at the Bellingham location, did have to dock everyone $20 on their performance dollars because there was a whole bunch of trash and people were leaving stuff in the trucks. So again, performance-based pay is a really good idea, so that way you can actually affect their performance dollars if things are not being upheld to the standards that are required. And one of our standards is cleaning out your truck and setting up the crew after you who's going to use that truck for success. And so that is the truck tour of the day. So I hope that was helpful. I don't know if it was. This is the new ramp rack. That is the full version. There's a sport version that a lot of our franchisees are using that they're really enjoying. It's lighter, it's easier to install, and unless you're trying to get heavier equipment in there, it's great. And furthermore, ramps go really high, and we have hit things before because they're so high and guys forget about them. And so those sport ones fold up, so they're a lot lower. So definitely probably the one thing that's unique about that truck is the ramp rack system. But we do have trailers. People forget we do have dump trailers. We have enclosed trailers. Look over there. We even have skid steers and track loaders. So I'm not all about just small little push mowers. But anyways, hope that was helpful today. Kind of a first look at the shop for some of you probably because I haven't been here for so long. The solar panels we have here. We have the office. We are moving though. In a year from now, you'll be probably seeing some videos of us breaking ground here pretty soon at the new shop location. We got 5 acres, about 5-10 minutes away from here. But that is the tour. Saturday, the new whip that we got in December is a tax write-off. Let's go, Honda Civic. All right, have a great day.